guys, welcome back. I ain't planning to do all of that, but a girl is thirsty. Anyhow, welcome back. My name is Shanna and I'm officially welcoming a fourth child into this family. I'm 7 months pregnant. I'm due in October. And today I will be going over how you can get some free samples for your expecting child. Expecting child, right? That sounds right, right? I think that's right. How you can get some free samples for your expecting child, upcoming child. Y'all know what I mean. From a few places. So I got a few registry boxes here. If you have not watched my last video, make sure you pause this. You could come back to it. Pause this video, go watch my last video, because I already went over 2 other registry bags that I have with free baby samples. 2020, these are everything that they're giving out in 2020. I don't know. Just go ahead to my last video and then come back in. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, press that thumbs up. Any questions, anything like that, anything that you want to see in the future, leave it down in the comments below. So we're gonna go ahead and go over these registry boxes that I got. I'm gonna do that now. The first box I'm gonna go over is this Walmart box. Yes, it is my favorite store, Walmart. You see that? Walmart. So this is their registry box. I got this back in maybe March, April, something like that. I got this box back then. Everybody's box was different. I noticed from other YouTubers, what I searched up. I found out about these boxes on YouTube. So everybody got different things. Like, I'm not gonna say everybody, but a lot of people got different things in their boxes. Some people got less, some people got more. Don't be offended. It's still free. It's okay. All right, it's all good. So if you are expecting, I'm glad that you came across this video, because now you too can go get some free samples for your Bible. Okay. So the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and pull out is, I should pull out the first thing that comes out. The Walmart box came like this. Actually, no, it didn't. It came with some over it. I got 2 Walmart boxes, by the way, y'all. 2. So it came like this as soon as I open it. There we go. So the first thing that you see sitting on top is this Nano BB, if I'm saying that right. I don't know what it is, so let's find out. It's a hospital go bag kit, it says. So let's go ahead and open that up. And it looks like some milk storage bags or something. So we got some little, maybe panty liners, I guess. It doesn't say. It say daytime, so I guess it's panty liners, kind of pads. Or is it, no, I said panty liners, y'all. This is breast pads. Duh, why would it be panty liners? Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me. So it come wrapped. I'm not gonna open them for sanitation reasons, of course. And then it have some extra thick, y'all, extra thick milk storage bag. So it comes with 3 of those, some nipple pads, and a pacifier. So I see a few of these came in a few of them bags already, so which is great. If you got this box, let me know what you had. Leave that down in the comments below. Okay, so that's the first thing. We went over the Nano BB, or Nano Baby, Nano BB little packaging here. And it also came with, oh, this is a Walmart registry thing. It's all good. Alright, next on the list, what we have is some more breastfeeding samples. I'm not going to go ahead and open it up. It's some nursing pads and another milk storage bag. Oh, it says it right here. I don't even need to open it up. That's what's in there, bro. And a little coupon or something. we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side. My last video was a little bit too long, that's why I'm just trying to hurry up with this one. So then next we have some travel size Huggies wipes. Are these sensitive too? Natural care for sensitive skin. I love how they put in these registry bags, I love how they put a lot of stuff in here for sensitive skin. Not a lot of that high fragrance stuff that can break a baby out. I appreciate that. And then we have 3 size 1 Little Snuggler Huggy diapers. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and do that now. Your girl is coming back with the videos, okay? Oh, this is another 4-ounce bottle. Next we have another bottle here. This is 4 ounces. Yep, 4 ounces. It look like, and it's by Playtex. It's a little bit too many bottles. I'm not gonna open this bottle, because I think I'm gonna give some of this stuff away. And I have one of these already. This is another man bottle. You'll see that in my last video. Go back and watch that if you haven't. There's a passy in here, and that's pretty much it. It's another 4-ounce bottle. This is the Walmart box, remember y'all. Then I have the Baby Dove Tiptoe Wash. Then we have the Cetaphil sample size, which is great. I hope I said that right. Wash sample. And then we have the Little Johnson one. Alright, I'm going to just set aside all the Johnson products because I don't plan on using that. That's baby lotion, by the way. Then we have June 22nd, 2021. Okay, a sample of single grain oatmeal for baby. And then we have Weleda shampoo and body wash. Never heard of this brand either. This is some new stuff I never heard of. And then we have some congratulations. The Medela information. What else? Some Similac info. If you guys breastfed or chose Similac, let me know what Similac formula. Let me know what worked out better for you guys. I tried to breastfeed with my first pregnancy, like I said, almost 9 years ago. I just pumped. He never latched. I gave up. I ain't gonna lie. I breastfed him for like, well, gave him breast milk for like 5 months, and that boy got big. I said, oh my god. And then we have some more. Oh, this is a healing ointment. So you see that? Small packaging with the coupon on the back. Is that a coupon? It's not a coupon. And then we have this here envelope. And it's some little cards. It's just basically the stages card. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, so on and so on. And some little things on the back, like things you can possibly purchase. You know, they gotta advertise their stuff, you know. So it's from 1 to 12 months that I have here. I think that's everything. Yep, that's everything that we have in the Walmart bag. I'll go ahead and try to put the things in the description box below. If I don't fault me. I'm gonna try. Just don't fault me. I'll try to, y'all. I ain't gonna do y'all like that. This video is now running for 9 minutes. Let me try to put everything back, because we got 1 more box to go over, and then I got a few more boxes, but that's gonna be another video, because 20 minutes, y'all, for a video. I don't know about y'all, but my attention span is like, and I want y'all to take y'all time to see everything that I got, so I'd rather just split the video up. Oh, this thing comes with a changing pad thing. That's great. The next box I'm gonna go over is the Amazon registry box. You get this free. I'm sorry. You get this free long as you have a registry with Walmart. I went over a few other things, but that's from my last video. I'll leave it down in the description. You get this free long as you have and you get this one, Amazon registry. You will get this free long as you already signed up for Amazon Prime and something off of your registry get purchased for $10. And I mean, you can purchase it yourself because I purchased my first registry item myself. And then next thing you know, I got this box in the mail. So, like I said, be signed up for Amazon Prime, make your registry, and purchase something for at least $10. Well, it have to be $10 or more, and they'll send you a registry box. You'll be qualified to receive that registry box. So, this is how the registry box comes. It comes wrapped. Then we're going to see what's inside of it. I'm grateful, y'all, because another bottle with another pacifier. I'm grateful. I'm so grateful. That's the first thing that I saw. And then the Amazon registry thingy here. Love your welcome box. Purchase any item in 3 easy steps. Okay. I'm gonna get that later. The next thing I noticed is another thing of travel size wipes. All of these will be like on the changing thing. Some of them will be in a diaper bag because who really like carrying a big old thing of wipes? Who? I carry 2 of these and I'm good. So some water wipes. I heard of these. I've seen a lot of ads and stuff for this one, so I hope it works out great. Let me know if you guys use water wipes. I gotta pee, but I don't feel like stopping the video. Oh my gosh. It came with a little onesie. 3 to 6 months. So wow. It's by Carter's. Let's open it. There's something about these onesies. I love them. I think that's FedEx blowing a horn for me, so now I gotta get up. Sidetracked. Anyhow, see? Sidetracked. Oh, that's how we open it. So we're gonna go ahead and open this onesie. You know, around this time, during the COVID time, they just leave your packages on the porch. They don't even bother, like, don't ring the bell, no knocking on the door. They just leave your packages on the porch. Listen, where I'm from, don't be leaving no packages on my porch, okay? Oh, this is 3 to 6 months. Da-da-da-da. This is so cute. It's nice. I'm gonna put that back in the packaging. It got a little weird smell too. So we got that out the way. We have 14 minutes. And then we have another Dreft, you know, body detergent kind of thingy here. And we got some more nipple pads. It's a breastfeeding guide by Event. If I'm saying anything wrong, don't kill me. Give me in the comments. And another sample of here. Of this thingy here. This diaper rash cream. This diaper rash base. That's great. I'm going to try to organize everything. Then instead of fill the wash. And then the last thing that I received in this Amazon registry box is a muslin swaddle. Can't go wrong with the swaddle, y'all. Let's go ahead and open this up. Maybe I shouldn't. But I'm sure y'all want to see, so maybe I should. Welcome your baby to a beautiful and cozy nursery with the baby soft essentials that fill your heart with joy and comfort for your little one. 50% off with promo code. I mean, but what? Oh, what a promo code at, y'all? It say 50% off. What the hell is the where's the promo code? I want 50% off. This one cute. I like this one. But I'm gonna need that 50% off. Where's the promo code, boo? Offer valid through April 30th of 2020. Of course it is. Let's see how that looks. Oh, wow. I actually have two of these. Not this kind, but I bought one of these kind of swaddles. It's really big. I'm not going to open the whole thing. They're really thin, just to let you guys know. I don't know if you can see that. It's really thin. Yep, you can tell. Just to let you know. They need to be washed. But they are really long. They will be great for swaddling. I think that this box was okay. I actually like, I'll let you guys know which one I like better after y'all watch all these videos. But that was the last thing I got in the box. Thanks Amazon for sending out that box. I appreciate it. I appreciate Walmart. I appreciate all of y'all. Okay. That was the last thing that came in the Amazon registry box. I'm gonna go ahead and put that stuff back. And if you guys got something different, like I said, leave it down in the comments below, because this box was not really as full as everybody else's was. But like I said, I guess due to COVID, stop dropping stuff. Due to COVID, you know, things are gonna, you know, you can get things as they have them, you know. I'm just trying to make sure I stay a little tidy, because I ain't trying to be cleaning up. It's hot. We're going through a heat wave right now. It's hot. So we went through two boxes. That was the Walmart box and the Amazon, I ripped the box, registry box. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like I said, if you like what you're seeing on this video, if you're entertained, or if you're like, great, I want to go get me a box, make sure you go ahead and press that button down there, that red subscribe button. It ain't much, boo-boo. Just go ahead and press it and come back. Like I said, if you have not watched my recent video, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that up here somewhere. This little thing gonna pop up. And thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. We'll be back. Three more boxes, y'all. 3 more boxes. Okay? 3. Make sure you watch the next video. I don't know when I'm gonna upload it, but the next one. We'll be back.